Hey everyone, my name is Karen and this is Chosen and Precious Farm, and today I am out in the garden. I didn't get to plant that many things this year. Mostly it was laziness, but out of the things that I did plant, I planted a bunch of tomatoes, and so that's where I am right now. And it has grown wild. It has grown wild. So what I'm doing is I am trying to trim off all of the bottom leaves of these tomatoes and then perch them up on the trellis a little bit better so that they're growing up. They are growing up very well, but some of them, like the ones behind me here, are just turning into bushes. So that's what I'm doing today. Follow along. So like I've done with these ones right here, I've already gone ahead and trimmed off all of the bottom leaves, and I'm doing this so that whenever it rains and the water splashes up onto the plants, it's less risk of getting any powdery mildew or anything like that and hurting my plants. So I'm only trimming off on the bottom and then helping them perch up onto the trellis on the top. So if you see these over here, they're very much bushy and some grass has grown in between my trellises here, but all of these leaves are touching the bottom, so I don't want that. I want to create an airflow down here at the bottom, that way we're not getting any disease. Look at what I found. That would be my fourth hornworm, and I knew I had them because, yeah, they destroyed these plants. Look at this. So another reason why I'm trying to get some of these leaves out is so that I can catch these guys. Catch them in the act. Very cute though. We also have some of these, so I brought a little bucket to put them all in. In the bucket you go. And then I'll take whatever I catch in here to the chickens to feed it to them. I didn't put any gloves on because why would you put gloves on to garden? And look at this. Yep. Heavily touching these tomatoes. Alright, I'm done. It's a bit hard to tell because there's so much green, but it's a little easier to see here. I've trellised up, I've cut all the bottom leaves off. I am going to leave these to compost in place here. But I'm happy with that. I can see my fruit now. I can see if anything's happening to them. And now it's just a little bit of maintenance and then enjoy my fruit. Thank you so much for following along in this video. I hope that you are having a beautiful day, and stay tuned to more videos to come. God bless you. Bye.